If we move it closer, you can see that they have this interesting mount on top of here, which you can just open it up and then you're able to mount any mobile phones over here. In my previous video, I actually covered the review for this VCM3 condensed microphone from CKMOVA. I also mentioned that they sent me another product as well, this GT1 selfie tripod. So today we're going to be having a review and see what this thing brings to the table. So far, I've been quite positive about the brand, so let's unbox this and see what we get inside. So actually this is just it, this tripod itself. So this is the BT1. This feels rather plasticky and quite light, but the feet seems to be quite big. If we move it closer, you can see that they have this interesting mount on top of here, which you can just open it up. And then you're able to mount any mobile phones over here. So let's see if this can mount up my usual camera. So it seems to be fitting quite snugly. I think you can even increase the size of this tripod holder. There is also this cold shoe mount on top of here. So you can really mount different microphones on top of it. So let's say if I were to use this CKMOVA microphone. Okay, just put it on top of here and just screw it here and just plug in at the side. There you go. Now let's take this out and see how well it mounts up my A7 II full frame camera. So all you actually have to do is just basically press this in and turn it in, and then you have this camera mount. Okay, let's open this up and mount it instead. And then all you want to do is just turn this knob over here and you will be able to tighten it. So on a close-up, this is what you get. I must say that the plastic on this thing is really very light and there seems to be a tilting of weight on top compared below. But in all fairness, this shall do fine, even if I attach a mic on top of it. With my work video mic go. Yep, it still works fine. So now enough of talking indoors, let's bring some of the footages from the outdoors to show you guys how long this can extend to. So basically once you have it folded, it's actually 25 cm long. Now once you open up the legs and extend the middle of it, you can get up to 90 cm. The weight capacity of this tripod can go up to about 2 kg. You're also able to extend into a selfie mode like I mentioned, but do take note of the limit of weight if you're planning to use it for a long term, as it can get quite heavy and quite tired for your wrist. Now this GT1 selfie tripod only weighs 280 grams, so it's barely any weight and it's a huge consideration if you're planning to carry light. Now, so how much does one of these GT1 tripod cost? It only costs about 25 USD, which is rather cheap if you are thinking of other brands that are currently out there, such as the Switch Pod or the Joby Gorilla Pod. I'm really impressed on how high this one can extend compared to my other little tripods out there. For perspective, this is my other tripod which I always use, my mini tripod, the Manfrotto one. You can only extend the legs and you can only go up to so high, while this can extend all the way and really get to a certain height. So the downside to this is that I would say do take note of the weight limit and go for something lighter such as the RX100 or the A6000 line. I hope you guys like this review which I've done for this GT1 tripod. It's actually quite worth it for a price tag of 25 USD, and do consider it after seeing my review. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet, and ring the bell notification for my next upload. If you haven't checked out the first video, do click on the link right here where it will bring you to the microphone review which I did for them. As mentioned, I'm not being paid by CKMOVA to do reviews for them. They just sent me these products, so these are all my honest take on them. If you haven't checked out my Instagram channel, do check it out over here, and do follow me on this as I'll be releasing bonus footages for my YouTube content. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.